Hello guys, you are welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. If today's your first time of seeing this video, hello, my name is Becky. Thank you so much for stopping by. In this video I would like to share with you how you can make your own lovely fluffy carrot cake. As you can see the carrots already, I've already used my peeler to peel all the skin. So the next step now, I just want to use them. You can use as well a knife to cut into the pieces whatever you want. Okay, this is how I make my own carrot cake. Very lovely carrot cake guys. So I'm going to be using the, so you can do any shape you want. Okay, so I love use this grater. It's a perfect match to make carrot cakes. Some people use peeler, so I'm going to be showing you the version 1 of peeler. So if you use this, if you use the grater, it's going to leave you with this, or if you prefer peeler, it's going to leave you with this shape. So it depends whatever you want. Some people actually use the peeler. I see my family friends use that. So it's going to give you this, and I prefer using my grater. So I'm used to this. So it's going to give me. So I use this part and this part. And when I'm about to finish, I use this as well. So guys, you can go ahead and do the same. You can see the fluffy, this is what we really want. So I'm going to be using 4 carrots. So you can swear use 3 or 2 carrots, but this is carrot cake guys, so you really want to feel the texture and the taste of the carrot. So guys, this is it. This is how to come of the grater. This part here is the very tiny one. This part, it will bring you this, it will leave you with this. Some people prefer the very small part. Like me, I prefer the big part. Then I usually mix them together to give me the perfect taste. So this one, this texture here is the big one, okay, and it's a mixture of the both. Okay, so this is going to leave you like this. Okay, you can see the consistency of this is very spread. When this is more creamy, more crumble, and more fluffy, as you can see. So it depends what you want guys. If you want it, if you can do the same. If you prefer mixing it together like me, you can go ahead and do the same. So it depends what you really want. Okay guys, first of all, we need vegetable oil. You can use vegetable oil or you can use sunflower oil. Please guys, avoid using olive oil because of the strong taste. Okay, if you really want to feel the texture of carrot cake, you need either vegetable oil or sunflower oil. This is 1 cup of vegetable oil, equivalent of 250 grams of oil. Okay, so I always like to mix all my liquid first, so you can do the same thing as well guys. The next step, we need 3 eggs. Okay, so I'm going to be breaking it one by one because of the shell. Okay, So guys, you can use the whip like this, but it's gonna waste my time, so I'm not going to go that way. You can as well go use the whip, okay? So I don't think I will really go to that way. So the next step now, so guys, we need 250 sugar, 1 cup, okay? And I'm going to be adding white sugar as well, okay? So you can go ahead and use plain white sugar or brown. This is light brown. Need quarter of this, so I'm using 125 milligram cup of white sugar, 125 milligram of sugar with the white one is 125 milligrams, whereas the brown one was 250 milligrams. Okay, you can exclude the light brown or the white. Just feel free, use whatever sugar you can lay your hands to. Okay guys, so guys, I'm not going to go to this way. I'm going to use the machine now. So you can as well do the same if you have one, but if you don't have one, you can use the whips. You can sweep it, you can whip it as well. So I'm going to be whipping it. You want to be careful. So I prefer this way. So remember guys, our eggs we haven't put, so one by one. I don't want to go straight, it will mess my kitchen. So one by one, patience. Okay guys, where is it? I think I'm going to put the two together because they're already sticked. Guys, you can do the easy way like me, or if you have strength, you can use your spatula, or you can use this whip. You can whip it yourself, but I'm not going to go to that road. So job done, very easy. Under 1 minute your liquids, under 1 minute all the cream is done. Okay, so that is why I'm going to love to use the machine. The next step now, I'm going to start adding all the dry ingredients. So guys, we're going to need baking powder, okay? Half teaspoon of baking powder, just a little bit, just half teaspoon of baking powder, okay? And we're going to be using walnut powder, like baking soda. We're gonna use our baking soda as well. Half teaspoon of baking, so half teaspoon of baking soda, okay? So we're using baking powder and baking soda. Baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of baking powder. So we're going to mix them together. So guys, just tiny pinch of salt, okay? You might exclude the salt. I just like, just for taste, you don't have to put salt. So guys, the next step now, we're going to be adding cinnamon, okay? You can exclude cinnamon, or you can put. I'm going to go and bring my cinnamon stick into blend, okay? I'll be right back. This is the brand I bought. I love it. It's organic, very lovely cinnamon. So I prefer blending my own cinnamon. And this is it, guys. This is the consistency. So I'm going to be it, so I will keep the rest, so to get rid of the lump. So this is how I prefer that. So you can get this thick as well, and you can just make your own cinnamon. So guys, this is how it looks. So you can as well do the same thing. You can keep this for tea, or if you want to bake something. So sometimes I like the texture to be this way if I'm baking some other stuff, or if I want to add it with my tea. Well, this is the consistency I'm going to be using today. So it's more cheaper and it's more healthy this way. Okay, step, we need a plain flour. Okay, we need 250 milligram flour, okay, equivalent of 1 cup. Okay, so I'm going to be sieving it direct. So don't forget, we need cinnamon as well. So we need full teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay guys, so I'm going to be mixing it together with my flour. Okay, I hope you guys you get me. So I'm going to be sieving 2 of them together to avoid the lump. Okay guys, so back here, and the next step is to sieve my plain flour and my cinnamon. So at this point I'm using my spatula, so you can do the same thing as well, or if you have any wooden spoon. Guys, you can see this is the consistency we want, guys. The next thing, I will like to add my walnuts. Okay, I will just blend the walnut and pecan. Okay, so I'm going to put few pecans, like 8 or 5 pecans. So I just love the mixture together. I love the taste of pecan and walnuts in my carrot cake. So that is how you're gonna know that you make a lovely carrot cake. So guys, you know what you want. I think this size is enough for me. So I'm going to go and blend them together, then I'll be right back. So we're going to be adding this with our solution. So guys, the next step, we're gonna add our maize sealed, the one we've already chopped. So if you are going to be blending this, or you're going to just make sure it's not really too blend together. You just want to feel the crunchy from your carrot cake. Okay, the carrot is gonna be the last, so mix it well guys. As you can see, please watch out for this type of consistency. You're going to like it guys. Is the carrot. Don't forget your carrot guys. Okay, it's going to be funny if you forget your carrot. So we are going to mix this to the mixture. Okay guys, so that's it. It's very straightforward, very easy to make a carrot cake, and then you want to mix them together, all of them. Make sure you didn't forget anything. Follow this procedure step by step. Please don't skip this video if you really want a lovely carrot cake. So guys, as you can see, it's ready to go. Next step is to put it in our tins. Please guys, you will love this. It's very, very delicious. So when it comes out, you're gonna like it guys. It's going to be super duper big, and that's it guys. It's still going to rise, so it's going to be all over the place guys. So I deliberately make this size because I have a visitors. So that's it. And you preheat the oven to 160 degrees guys. So I'm going to go ahead And please, when you are baking carrot cake, it has to be in the oven for 1 hour. Okay. So guys, I made a mistake. It's too big, so I have to share it into two. So that is the second one. It was too full, so it couldn't come out, but it came out very well. How are you going to know if it's done? By, you can see it's done now. It's ready to go. Our carrot cake is done, so there's no any sign of water. So guys, we're going to remove it. So guys, sorry about this mess. I make it overflow. It's too many. I wasn't thinking. So what I did, divide it into two. So I make, if you're gonna make this type of cake, please divide it into two, okay? Or else if you are professional, you can go ahead, because it's going to mess your oven. So I quickly discover, so I split it into two. I divide it into two. Okay, so we're going to make a lovely carrot cake. So this is how it looks. How do you know if it's done? It's done because there's no any stain. So I'm going to be showing you how we're going to be cutting it. It's a very lovely carrot cake, guys. It's only a little mess that I'm making carrot cake, and then as you can see, guys, it's very lovely. To learn how to make a buttercream, I have it on my page. I might put the link below, so you can go ahead and make your own buttercream as well. So I just want to, some people love putting a lot of cream all over their carrot cake. I just like a little bit of cream because I want to just feel the taste of the carrot and the cinnamon as well. So if you feel like, you can feel free and spread the icing, buttercream or fresh cream all over it. Some people want butter. You can see it's made straight away. Very lovely. And they're going to be sparkling some mixed cream, some mixed nuts. So you can go ahead and make the same decoration as well. Very lovely and very simple to make. And I'll go over the cream again, so it's just going to be beautiful. The cream is going to go in between the carrot cake. You can swear, do the same thing, guys. I'm going to cut it so that you guys can see. It's very fluffy and yummy, guys. So you can just take your time and cut the one you want to cut, and then I'm going to show you the inside of my carrot cake, guys. It's very beautiful. You're gonna like it, guys. Give it a go and let me know, guys. It's a very perfect texture, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and have a taste. So it's very, very, very fluffy, guys, and you're gonna like it. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys should think after making this beautiful, delicious carrot cake. So if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell, guys. So thank you for watching, and stay blessed, and bye for now.